biggest thing we're worried about was just finding a good contractor that we could trust and we know was going to deliver a good project for us.
They really listened to all of our needs and they made them happen, and they did a great job with every detail, the professionalism that they had, and just the workmanship. Everything was great, top to bottom.
The kitchen is exactly what my wife wanted.
So that was really refreshing to see with a contractor that you know, they understood our position and they did a good job at trying to finish out every detail and make everything look perfect and professional.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.